Hi, welcome to the channel. Another AdBlue problem for the Mercedes A-Class 180 2019 model. But however, this is little bit special way we need to address this job. Basically, car Mercedes, but this engine all Renault engine. Basically, this car has a Renault engine. AdBlue sign on, and we'll see what's going on for this car. You can see the engine light on and the AdBlue countdown mileage there after 172 miles it will not start. So first of all I need to take a faulty code for this car, what's going on and what happened, and same time customer changed some sensors and another new sensor he said here, and also I can see the all another sensor he said he changed upstream sensor. Yeah, this is the Mercedes part. Yeah, however he done bits and bits, but we need to find out what's going on here. Right, trouble code. Right, component fault, engine not started, possible active exhaust after treatment system. P13F609. Another faulty code P1C7D00 activate and stored. The remaining driving distance we know exactly because it say 172. And another faulty code store NOx sensor bank 1 has malfunction. Basically what happened, customer told he already changed the NOx sensor bank 1, but still faulty code for the bank 1. Right, I'm not sure what's going on and what happened. First of all I would like to take a live data for the NOx. We'll see what's going on. Right, you can see here NOx sensor upstream not operating and downstream not operating. Right, what you need to do, I'm going to take to the road test and have a look how is this sensor's behavior. Okay, complete around 4 miles. Now you can see the live data. Both NOx sensors work as should be. So I'm not feeling this NOx sensor faulty. So next step I need to check the AdBlue quality and have a look what's going on there. Because of the AdBlue sometime this NOx sensor fault coming back, or could be software problem. However, too early to comment anything. Next step I'm going to check the AdBlue quality, and same time I'll try to reset this warning light and have a look what's going on there. Exit from here to erase all faulty codes. Yes. Right, component faulty, engine not possible to start, defective exhaust after treatment. Yeah, that's why I say could be poor quality AdBlue, or could be something not right with the AdBlue area. Okay, first of all I'm going to reset this faulty code with the special function. Ignition off, press OK, turn ignition on. Okay, press OK. Procedure was completed successfully. Continue. Reset control unit. Turn ignition off. Okay. Okay, it's complete. Okay, switch off, ignition on, still problem there. Okay, next step, I will jack up the car and have a look physically what's going on with the pump quality wiring. Hi, welcome back to the Mercedes A-Class. We done the software, we done the AdBlue flushing. So now all ready for the customer. But however, I am not going to show you what he done because of the little bit personal details there. Because of that, I don't want to show you how we're going to do the programming software updating. Because of that, I didn't do. However, this car came like that you saw before. One sensor they changed it already, front one, and the another sensor and another sensor inside the box. I don't know the what happened previous. One garage changed the front sensor, then after that scratch the head and they said the back one, but customer didn't has any confidence with the garages. However, he found me and he came to me and he bring the old sensors for me. Even I'm not too much worried for the install the sensors. I'm not go with the faulty code. If some garages go with the faulty codes or some people go with the faulty codes like this ending unnecessary part into the car. So I'm not recommended at all. Basically, I'm going with the live data and physical checks. Then after that, I know what I'm doing exactly. That's why today also I'm success again. So now we are coming to the software updating stage, because normally if someone need to do the software update with me, I'll say to them there is a risk, because sometimes if it's something not going right, because sometimes it's problem with the person who doing the software. Sometimes it could be internet problem, wiring problem, electrical problem, lot of thing involving for the it can be go wrong. Even sometimes people ask, oh Charlie, why you say like that? You don't know what you are doing, you don't have a confidence for your job. No, I have 100% confidence about my job, but it can be happen anywhere, anytime. Even I want to update another telephone conversation with another customer. He been to the Mercedes and it's happened to him what they doing at that time. After that car wasn't start, he called me. Please listen to that one. Then after that I'll come back to you. Is it which class this one?
Mercedes C-Class.
C-Class which year?
2015.
2015. Are they recalled for the AdBlue software or some other software?
No, I mean they told me that the software related to this electric, and another one was like I have it somewhere. So some engine out software and some electric software.
Okay.
Both of them got outdated. So I came here to update those two softwares. I mean, apart from that, everything else the software is fine. Only these two were outdated. So I updated those, but now it is not even starting. So I literally, my car is stuck in the Mercedes service center.
Right. Hopefully now you all know what's the risk when you going to software updating. Huge risk there, but I didn't face it at all last 6 years. But however, last month I had the same similar problem after the software update. Car didn't start. Little bit scary story, but however, after 3 weeks struggle, we managed to get back to normal the car. Happy customer, happy Charlie, everyone happy. So now we'll see what happened to the this car. I already went to the motorway journey. Start the car. You can see at the dashboard, no any warning light. Yeah, I already completed over 21 miles before I complete 8 miles altogether, 28.5 miles. Right, we'll go to the main menu and we'll see the what's the AdBlue count now. Service menu, there is a one message. What's that one message? Yeah, Mercedes me contact. Yeah, okay, I'm going to exit from here. We'll see what's the AdBlue. Yeah, at the moment you can see 7,850 AdBlue range. Yeah, that's a good sign. Before, when he came, vehicle couldn't. The address book is empty. Telephone not available. Or something playing up, but however, it couldn't read the AdBlue limit. Now, after the flushing, after software updating, this vehicle has a 7,850 miles in a clock. Okay, I can't stop from there. I need to read the faulty codes, what happened and what's going on there. See the right. Right. My job success, but however, communication with NOx sensor 1 has a malfunction. Yeah, something not right the previous stage, but however, that's why I don't want to go with like this Chinesium, because some brandeds not always good. I'm not blamed to the any person, but however, personally, I don't like to go with the Chinesium. When you go with the Chinesium, sometimes they change all data. Then after that, no one can identify. Because of that, I don't want to hand over to car like this. Basically, this NOx sensor one fault. I saw the old reading for the both NOx sensors, but however, unfortunately, still NOx sensor one fault there. I need to dig into the more problem and have a look what's going on and what happened there. Then after that, I'll come back to you and I'll let you know what's going on here. Speak to you soon. Okay, problem little bit complicate now. I already removed the NOx sensor one according to the faulty code. Customer confirmed they changed the NOx sensor, but I took it off the NOx sensor. This is the one they installed. Have a look the part number. Yeah, but original part number. This is the original part number 8111. Basically, totally different part numbers. That's why there could be the other problem. Basically, even I check with the sentry flash. We'll go to the computer. You can see here this one. That's the correct part number. Basically, whatever in there, totally not right. Yeah, at the moment, I clean the this all NOx sensor. You can see nice and shiny. This is the one I took it off. Very black, sooty there. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm installing this old sensor, whatever they remove, and after that, I need to reset the old values and start from there and have a look what's going on and what happened. After installation, I'll come back to you. Yeah, we already installed the old sensor back. We clean it, left it 2 hours for with the chemical. Now should be okay. I don't know. This is the used one. Okay, right. Again, play with the computer. Sometimes people don't know exactly the point, and it's creating more problem for the me. Anyway, sorry for that. Right. Okay, ignition on. Right, and try to clear this faulty code. We'll see is it allowed to clear. Yes, we are lucky. Right. Next step, we need to go to the special function. This one, learning NOx sensors. This one. Continue. Switch off ignition. Yeah. Okay. Press OK. Ignition on. Okay. Yeah. Both upstream and downstream success. Okay. Right. Exit from here. Again, couple of times. Switch off. Start. Switch off. Start. Switch off. Ignition on. And have a look any faulty code there. Right, at the moment no faulty code. Next step, I'm going to keep running the car another hour sort of time. Then after that I need to take to the good road test again, like a motorway journey, like a 20 miles. Then after that I'll come back to you. Welcome back to the channel. I plan to take that Mercedes for the good motorway journey. However, because of the customer emergency situation, I hand over the car. Basically, I couldn't complete the motorway journey, but however, customer say he will take to the motorway journey. We'll see what happened and what's going on. I'm going to call to the customer. Sorry, customer might be busy. He will call me back. Once he call back, I'll let you know what's going on. Weeks gone at the moment, but however, that day I tried to contact customer. He didn't pick up the phone. Even he didn't come back to me. But I knew all going well. That's why he didn't call me back. Otherwise, next moment, normally they will contact me. We'll see anyway how it's going on. I'll try again. No. Okay. Sorry, guys. He's not pick up the phone. Could be he's busy. Anyway, I'm assuming this job all success. So I will upload this video. If you get anything, I will let you know, notify in the comment section, and I will let you know. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. Thank you very much. See you with the next video.